Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to be unboxing some special order dyes from Dharma Trading Company in smaller quantities. Special order dyes from Dharma come in 5 pounds and up. That's way too much dye. So in this tutorial, I will tell you how to get some zombie colors and other colors that you may be looking for. So I ordered some special order dyes from Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace. I currently, or usually get them from Kathy Sprague, but she's not currently selling dyes right now. So she recommended that I go with Kathy Greger. I think it's Greger or Grieger. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, Kathy. So let's just see what we've got here. All right. So my main goal is Dusty Rose. And let's see, what was the last? Moose. Dusty Rose and Moose to finish off the zombie dyes. So great. And I'm just now a few dyes short from having the entire special order dye list. So let's just take a look. They come very professionally contained, nice jars. I had to pay extra for the jars, but I personally would prefer to have a jar over like a Ziploc baggie. It just helps me store them. But she offers either way for your price range, and these are 4-ounce jars, I'm pretty sure. So let's see, Bazooka Pink, that was Madrone, Green Eggs. The names have such fun, cute little names. Mars Dust. I'm excited about this one. I've wanted to try this one for a long time. And Claret. And I'm going to be getting on the playlist again. So the single color ice dyes of the regular list from Dharma, and also Cinnamon Stick, and also the special order dyes. I'm going to start at the top of that list and work my way on down, creating a playlist. And I might do all of those in the watercolor ice dyes. They're quick and easy, and I think I can get through the list a lot quicker than making spirals, and they're just pretty. So what was that? Oh, what did I do? Melted Peep, Baby Blue Eyes, Fatigue Green, Lemon Curd, Creamsicle, which this I think is going to be really pretty, like a orange otter brown, perfect for this time of year in the fall. Lilac Mist, you guys know I love anything purple. What is this? Chili Fuego. So that's going to be a fiery red. Let's see. Lion's Mane, also another neutral, or not neutral, but earthy tone that I wanted to try. Sequoia Redwood, perfect for this time of year. Number 2 Pencil. And let's see, the last one is Maroon Brown. So a lot of great colors in here for fall. So like I said, I think I should have pretty much all of the colors on the list to start the single color ice dyes, so we can have a comprehensive list for, you know, so we know what they look like. So I'm having a lot of fun doing these watercolor ice dyes for the zombie list, or the zombie ice dyes, and they're turning out really beautiful. I know why they chose the colors that they did. Oh, and I just want to point out, Cheryl pointed out a really good thing. So when I did the Stormageddon single color ice dye, watercolor ice dye, Stormageddon, it's pretty much exactly like, oh gosh, it just left my mind. Which one? It's the gray one that we all use when we do black cherry. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Let me look here. Brushed Steel. I think I think it's brushed steel. Well, now I feel bad because I'm telling you a good dupe for Stormageddon. I'm pretty sure it's brushed steel. If I've got that wrong, I will make another note of it. But yeah, if you don't have the special order dies for the zombie collection, there are other colors that are very similar. And as I work my way through them, I will try to help out with that. So I'm excited to play around with these colors. You know, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you want to get some special order dies in smaller quantities, you can go into Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace. Kathy Greger, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, but Kathy Greger, she's in there. You can find her post, send her a private message, tell her what you need. She'll hook you up. These dies came within a matter of a few days. I believe that she likes to ship out on Monday or Tuesday, so you know she's not going every day of the week. You know, she gets her orders throughout the week and then ships on Monday, Tuesday, something like that, which makes sense. So check her out and then stay tuned because I'm going to be making stuff with all of this stuff. All right, guys, you take good care. Thank you so much. I do have the link for the marketplace down below in the description box. It's right there with all the other social media links. It just makes it really easy for you to find. So click on the link. It'll take you right over to where you need to go. I'm pretty sure that Kathy's post is right up at the top, so it makes it easy for you to find. I just recently looked and it looks like she's starting to sell out of her colors and she's going to have to replenish her stock. So if you don't want to wait, I recommend that you head over right away, get your order in, and while you're there, just click follow. That way you don't lose the marketplace. It'll make it easy for you to find in the future. Plus, it really helps out our fellow tie-dyers. Let's get their group up and growing and get the numbers for them. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!